Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Sisley. It's the Phyto-Teint Nude Foundation. This is what the foundation bottle looks like outside its box. It's a brand new, sort of 2 weeks just came out. I don't know when this video is gonna come up, but 2 weeks from today that I've been filming this. For all of you that follow me, I know I said in my previous video that was gonna be maybe my last video for the next 2-3 months. But I just couldn't not review this new jewel over here because it's such a good foundation, and I was so excited because I'm sure all of you, whoever follows me, knows that I'm such a huge fan of Sisley that I had to review this foundation. That's why I said I broke my break. In fact, as you can see, I'm in a completely different location, completely different like style and everything. I'm not in my usual place, but yeah, I said I need to come back just for this once. Maybe it's gonna be another one, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But this one, I had to do it. Now, enough of me talking, let's get into the foundation review. The foundation shade I picked for myself is number 2 and Ivory Beige, which I believe is exactly the same foundation shade as the other Phyto-Teint Sisley foundation. Now, I don't have it here with me. I have my usual skincare down at the Origins Mega Mushroom line, and also prepped and primed my skin with a vitamin-enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. Let's get into the foundation review. Some on the back of my hand, which looks super dry because of all this hand sanitizer we're using these days. And I'm just gonna dot it around my face. It doesn't have a fragrance, I can tell you that. This foundation, compared to the other Vita-Tint, I believe, I might be wrong, is water infused, is a much lighter, I know that for sure, it's a much lighter foundation. It's gorgeous. I'm sorry to jump already into conclusion, and that is why I've really pushed myself to make this foundation review even on my break, because it's such a gorgeous foundation. It's super light, it's the perfect foundation for men. If you're a man, want to perfect your skin, want a foundation, no foundation like, this is really good. To me, it's more like a tinted moisturizer with just like maybe an extra, a little bit more coverage than usual tinted moisturizer. But it's just beautiful if you want to look natural. I hope you've all been doing well. I've been away. It's been probably 4 weeks since I have shared a video. Just quite a while, considering that I was doing 1 or 2 a week before. But I hope you haven't been missing me. Just kidding. As you've been able to see, is like a squeezy tube, which I don't know if I prefer, because I do prefer the ones with a pump, because at least you know how much product are you using. This way you never know how much you should take out. Here we go. So foundation now completely applied. As you can see, it's extremely natural. It looks flawless. I mean, I'm obsessed. This is probably my favorite like natural foundation that came out this year. Of course, you can still pick through some of my blemishes, but that's absolutely fine because we're gonna go over with concealer if you want that extra burst of coverage, which that's what we're gonna do now. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Chanel Le Correcteur, and it's 20 beige. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the key points of my face. And what I see a little bit of a blemish, I'm just gonna go over. And maybe a little bit around the nose, because that's always a little bit red. That's it. Lately, because I've been taking this break, I've been coming very fast in doing my foundation. Before I used to take my time. But now, because I just, I'm giving my skin a break, that only time that I wear foundation, I really go fast. I'm like, yeah, whatever, fast. Because I'm not working at the moment, so it's, I've just not been focusing a lot on having a perfect skin. I've been focusing more on actually having a perfect skin underneath a foundation. So I've been focusing more on skincare, which, as you all know, my favorite Origins do me good all the time. Here we go. So the extra coverage with the concealer, I'm happy and satisfied with it. I'm just gonna quickly powder and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back and give you my final thoughts. Here we go, and I'm back. So To quickly recap what I've used off camera on my face, to set my face I've used the Fenty Beauty Universal Setting Powder, the pressed powder, my holy grail of natural bronzer, the Tom Ford Glow Bronzer, Powder Bronzer Eclat in 02 Terra. It's my new favorites, H&M Blusher. This one is in Peach Sunset. Let me show you how gorgeous this is. For highlighter, I've used another holy grail of mine that I've used constantly is the Dior Universal Dior Backstage Glow Face Powder. It's this ones. I've used just these top two ones. I mix them together. And then just a little bit of like a burst of hydration on my lips with the Bobbi Brown lip tint, extra lip tint in shade Bear Pink. We're here for the Sisley Phyto-Teint Nude Foundation. You got it. It's awesome. It's beautiful, gorgeous. You know me, I'm all about positivity. I try to find good things even in the bad things. And this is really, really good. It's just one of those foundations that is perfect for who doesn't like to have too much makeup on their skin. But it also feels super lightweight, and it also feels like it's not clogging your pores or feeling cakey and greasy or too heavy on the skin. It's very lightweight. And I think the fact that it's like water infused, it really makes it even more special to me, because I love everything that is super lightweight, super watery, and super, you know, like nothing too heavy on the skin, basically. If you're looking for a brand new foundation that basically fits everything that I just explained to you, this is the one for you. It's really nice. So thank you very much for watching again. You know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, but also if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well. I'm eating my words. Give it a thumbs up as well. Why not? Let's spread the love. And also, while you're here on YouTube, why don't you just subscribe to my YouTube channel? You can follow me on my Instagram. Head over there and follow me at Glamstract as well, if you want. Thanks for watching one more time. As I said, I don't know if this is actually the last video I'm gonna post till the end of the year. There might be another one, I'm not sure. But I'll leave you just like last time. Maybe I'll see you soon. Maybe I'll see you later. We'll see. But for now, see you. Bye.